Hey besties, welcome to my channel. So today I am super excited because we are gonna be doing a quick comb unbox with me. So I just wanna say thank you G-Style and thank you Roundlab. So without any further ado, let's unbox it. But first, a little bubble wrap ASMR. This Sheetmask have been going viral, so I'm super excited to try. This bag contains 4 Camellia Deep Collagen Firming Gel Mask. The Camellia Deep Collagen Firming Gel Mask is infused with Camellia Collagen. Concoction includes Camellia japonica flower extract, quercetin, and inositol that helps enhance skin elasticity and promotes a firm, bouncy, and youthful appearance. It is also enriched with low molecular collagen that deeply moisturizes the skin without causing any dryness. Created with HPR, which is the next generation retinol, derived from retinoic acid to tighten enlarged pores and improve skin elasticity. It has a very jelly-like texture. Features triple gelling technology, which helps the mask to adhere seamlessly to the skin and stay in place without slipping. And one of the features that I really like is that it's very soft, almost like jelly, gelatinous, I'd say.
provides elasticity care for your skin. The dense hydrogel sheet adheres closely to the skin, delivering effective absorption of its essence. How to use. Step 1. After cleansing, use a toner to refine the skin texture. Remove the foams from both sides of the upper and lower separated mask. Place the mask evenly to fit the shape of your face and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Gently pat the remaining essence into the skin for better absorption.
So after applying toner, I decided to go down and apply the Roundlab CamelliaDeepCollagenFirmingGelMask, and I thought, well, if you have to use it for a prolonged amount of time, let's just go big or go home. So I decided to leave it on all night long, and by the morning the sheet mask had changed color from beautiful baby pink to a clear see-through mask, so I guess that's how you know. And afterwards my skin looked very soft and plump and like glass skin effect, and I experienced no irritation, and I think it was perfect to use overnight. It's a really good mask, so if you have the chance and you can get your hands on a couple of these sheet masks, I will definitely say go for it, try them on and check them out. I liked it a lot, and I am excited to finish the set and see what the long-term effects are. I will definitely give it a 5 out of 5 or a 10 out of 10, so check them out. And yeah, that's my little review. I hope you guys liked it, and see you on the next video, okay?